Hi, my name's Norm. I'm at the Alfred Caldwell Lily Pool. I'm going to be talking to you about the restoration of the pool. It was taken over by the zoo in the 1950s. The birds had degraded the area. The soil became compacted. Invasive plant material had moved in. It was renovated in the 60s by the Chicago Park District, and what they thought was an improvement was bringing in more Niagara limestone to stabilize the erosion that we have. The Friends of Lincoln Park, which morphed into the Lincoln Park Conservancy in the year 2000 and 2001 and 2, did a total restoration of the Alfred Caldwell Lily Pool. The preservationists wanted to bring it back to exactly the way it was. People with ADA wanted to make it accessible to more people. And then there was the birds and bunny people who wanted to maintain it as a place that was overgrown, dark, but it really was a bird and nature sanctuary at that time. Through these different focus groups, we have what we have here today. The ADA people, the standards at that time in 2000 or 1999 and 2000 made the Lily Pool 85% accessible. Because it was parkland, they could extend the eastern sides further into the zoo parking lot and also the western side into the conservatory parking lot, thus achieving more land for birds and wildlife to accumulate and to enjoy what we have here at the Lily Pool. The preservationists won out because most everything that Alfred had done was restored again.